Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve access failed on Clash of Clans on app, you can go to settings. Here in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Clash of Clans. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.